My name is Joana Oliveros, and in 102 Canon, more Voices Paradises, Canon as Cabo de la Vela in Guajira, in Colombia. Enjoy your vacation in Cabo de la Vela. I am from Vacation B, Ocean and Student and Cost Effective Traveling Service. We have been established in 2018 and have team experiences to give travelers who want to vacation in the country. Means of transport to get there. Instead, access road and difficulty to access it is recommended to go in large car. Things to do in Cabo de la Vela. 1. Visit the Sugar Pilon. 2. Swim at Pilon Beach. 3. Guayu Artisan Bank. 4. Cute Sur. 5. Visit Ojo de Agua Beach. 6. See and set at the Linde House. 7. Sleep in Guayu Hammock. Travel tips. The weather is very hot. You should use sun cream. Stay hydrated and don't try away for the group. The best time to go. The weather in summer is the most perfect to visit Cabo de la Vela. You can sleep in glamping in Guayu hammock on the shore of the beach. You can help Guayu communities by purchasing their craft with its time to bring a lot of the luxe to your life. Gastronomic and typical food. The food in the Cabo de Vela is based on the food and fish that from its own beach. Typical drink leaf corn chicha. Guayu culture. Cabo de la Vela, in addition to having beautiful landscape, also has a culture that identifies them as indigenous to the Guayu ethnic group. There you can learn more about this culture and custom. Contact us if you can contact via